Oh, what is good, homies? So this past weekend had a super kick-ass experience with a great squad of people. It's something called West Side Experience. So this was a sweet, basically like techno house music party. It was hosted by the awesome folks from Burloop and Genius Lockheed. I believe I'm saying that right. But basically this awesome set that was hosted on top of the Tesla store in Santa Monica on the 3rd Street Promenade, hosted sweet lineup of folks from Crosstown Rebels, from Desert Hearts, from Repopulate Mars, Get Physical. I mean, it was just incredible, off the wall, great time. And I really didn't know many of the people who were over there either, so it was totally kind of a mix up to see like what folks were going to be like, what kind of time it was going to be. But at the end of the day, every single live person that I met was so kind, so sweet, and just it was like positive vibes from wall to wall. So definitely, if you can ever get over to one of these guys' parties, super recommend it. And here is a bunch of footage from the scene. So check it out. have it. As you can tell, super epic Sunday party with a whole bunch of great new homies, talented people, awesome folks in a beautiful setting. So want to again give a huge shout out of gratitude to the whole squad, everybody who put that show on, everybody who came together to attend and shared in the energy, the vibes, the dance, the music, and just the general all around good time. So if you dug that and you want to see more content like this, then definitely go ahead, subscribe to my channel. All sorts of good things, from just good times all around, flying a drone around, doing acro yoga, roller skate dancing, just all sorts of fun and interesting things around the Venice Beach area and the West Side and LA and all over the place. So give it a look. Love to hear from you guys. Cheers.